Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 26th, 2025, we're diving into the S&P 500 SPY, looking at both the current news landscape and its technical chart. First, let's address some of the top headlines. The market is reacting to concerns over congressional debates on a Republican tax and spending bill and rising Treasury yields. Recent news indicates that Warren Buffett continues to recommend investing in the SPY. Let's see how the historical stock market returns compare to today's chart data. Additionally, there are concerns about potential tariffs from the Trump administration that may impact the markets, as well as news about Nvidia earnings, all of which could influence the SPY's trajectory. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart to analyze the technicals. Looking at the overall trend, we can see a notable period of volatility around late March and early April of 2025. The market experienced a significant dip driven by tax bill concerns and rising Treasury yields, as we mentioned earlier, followed by a strong recovery. Currently, we can see the SPY is trying to recover back to the 580 range. Let's drill down to the 1-hour chart to get a clearer picture of the recent price action. Over the past few weeks, the SPY has been oscillating between the 580 and 595 price levels. We can see some consolidation forming near the 580 level, which may act as a near-term support. A break below this level could signal further downside. If we look at specific candles here, we see a consistent struggle around the 583 level, indicating resistance. If the price can consistently hold above 583, there may be some bullish action soon. Zooming into the 15-minute chart allows us to see short-term trading opportunities and potential entry and exit points. We can see a choppy price action with smaller swings indicating indecision in the market. The recent activity shows a struggle to sustain momentum above 584, further reinforcing this level as a key area to watch. Pay close attention to the price action around the 583 level, as sustained breaks in either direction could lead to quick trades. Given the current news and chart analysis, let's recap the key price levels and potential scenarios. First, a breakdown of 580 could trigger a short-term bearish move towards 575. On the other hand, a sustained push above 584 might lead to bullish momentum towards 590. For long-term investors, the strength of the economy and the outcome of the tax bill debates will be crucial factors to monitor. The overall likelihood of seeing the S&P 500 continue its upward trajectory remains cautiously optimistic, but keep an eye on those important price levels.